I'm truly delighted to be here today to inaugurate Phase 2 of Tech Mahindra's Manufacturing Experience Center, a milestone that represents our unwavering commitment to shaping the future of manufacturing through innovation, excellence, and collaboration. The MXC is more than a demonstration space. It's a living ecosystem where imagination meets engineering excellence. Through this center, we are bringing together capabilities that span industrial manufacturing, process industries, aerospace and automotive sectors, all powered by the strengths of digital twins, AI and next generation automation. In Phase 2, we are expanding from concept to scale, from POCs to industrial application. We are deepening our focus on agentic and physical AI, creating smarter factories and moving towards autonomous supply chain. This is where machines and algorithms don't just execute commands, but collaborate with humans to learn, adapt, and drive continuous improvement. Whether it's predictive maintenance in factories, real-time simulation through digital twins, or intelligent design solutions for aerospace and automotive domains, the MXC is enabling innovation at scale, helping global enterprises accelerate their Industry 4.0 journeys. This expansion also strengthens Tech Mahindra's vision of building connected, cognitive, and sustainable manufacturing systems. Here, every prototype, every data point, and every idea contributes to our greater goal to make manufacturing not only efficient but also intelligent and human-centric. As we move ahead, MXC will continue to be the nucleus where technology and talent converge to redefine industrial excellence. I'm proud of what we have achieved together, and even more excited about the possibilities this next phase will unlock. Thank you to everyone who made this vision a reality.